Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In an era where email marketing reigns supreme as one of the most effective ways to engage and convert leads, finding the right platform is paramount. AWeber, a veteran player in the email marketing game, has been making waves with its enticing offer of a free plan. But does it live up to the hype? The link to AWeber is in the description. First and foremost, AWeber's free plan offers a comprehensive set of tools to kickstart your email marketing journey without breaking the bank. With support for up to 5,000 subscribers and 3,000 emails per month, it provides ample room for budding entrepreneurs and small businesses to grow their audience and reach their marketing goals. One of the standout features of AWeber's free plan is its robust design tools, including the innovative Smart Designer. This tool takes the hassle out of creating visually appealing emails by automatically generating designs based on your content, saving you time and effort in the process. Moreover, AWeber's free plan doesn't skimp on essential features like campaign automation, sign-up forms, and landing pages. These tools empower users to automate their marketing efforts, capture leads effectively, and drive conversions with professionally designed landing pages, all without spending a dime. However, it's essential to note that while AWeber's free plan provides a solid foundation for email marketing success, there are limitations. Users may encounter restrictions on advanced features such as analytics and integrations, which are reserved for paid plans. In terms of user experience, AWeber's intuitive interface and helpful resources make getting started a breeze. From setting up your account to designing your first email campaign, the platform guides you every step of the way, backed by 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and live chat. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.